Now we can start.
Okay, ma'am. Now I'm clear.
Yes, yes, yes. Now
Okay.
it's perfect. We can start. Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How's it
How are you?
going there?
My day is going quite good. The Ramzan is going on, so that's why I'm enjoying with the holy of month.
Okay.
Mm. So, ma'am, where are you from?
I am from Odisha. I'm from Odisha.
Odisha. Okay. So, ma'am, may I know something about you?
Why not? First of all, don't call me ma'am. I don't like. So my name is English. You can call me English.
Like,
And yes.
I can like.
Uh, do you like my surname? Nayak.
Yes, I know.
Okay. So as you know, and I have completed my bachelor degree in political science. Nowadays, I teach students of the middle school. Also, I am a tailor. That's all about me.
Okay. You are a
What
trainer?
about you? Tailor, not trailer.
Tailor.
Tailor.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Okay, okay.
Okay.
So,
May I know about you?
yeah, yeah, of course. My name is Mohammed Tariq. I'm from UP. Talking about my educational qualification, I am a postgraduate in Arabic language. When it comes to my hobbies, I love listening to music, reading newspaper, watching English content videos. That's it.
That's nice.
Mm.
Okay. So you have any topic, any question for me?
Ma'am, I want to know about you something. So after that, then I will decide. And so, ma'am, I want to know about you. When did you start to learn this language? Because you have mentioned in your videos, I belong to a rural area where you don't have the environment for speaking in English, but you have collected the encouragement. You have collected the encouragement to speak in English. So, ma'am, may I know something about you? How do you face? How do you utilize your skills in English language? So please tell me.
Okay, okay. When I started, I was nothing in English. I started like a small kid, for example, like ABCD. But yes, my mind was saying, no, English, you cannot. No need to learn English language, any other language, no need to learn. Because also, I was very afraid for grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary, a lot of things.
Mm,
Where I am very afraid. I was very afraid, but my heart said, no, English you can. Just try once. No matter you would be fluent or not, just try once. But my mind never, my mind never believed me. So, but
okay.
I had belief on myself, and I had belief on the God. One day I will be. So I started, and at that time, conversation was very important. Still, conversation is very important, and I did not have an environment to talk. Then I knew about Cambly, and it is very costly, and I had no money at that time. Then I collected some money, and I
Okay.
joined different English apps. But yes, if I want to say, if you have belief in yourself, then definitely you can. It's just a language, nothing much.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, for speaking in English, did you join? Have you ever joined any institute to speak in English?
No, 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 not any
Okay. So
institute.
just
I
study.
learned myself.
Okay, from the YouTube.
Yes.
Okay. Same here, ma'am. I'm a postgraduate and I did translate English to Arabic, but I couldn't speak due to environment. But I was thinking I will speak in English, but I did not find any good platform where I can utilize, where I can showcase my skills. So I was scrolling the YouTube channel. So suddenly I found that application, that name of Hybro.
Yes, yes.
I have been using this application for 3 months. That time I started to speak in English. So, ma'am, but I was studying in the college and I was living there in Lucknow. I studied in Lucknow. My university name is Khwaja Muinuddin Chishti University, which is located in Lucknow. So I was living there with my friends, but I did not speak any single word with my friends. But while living with my friends, because I that time I had the hesitation to express my thought in English language. So I was thinking able to speak in English. Yes. So all credit I am able to speak to you, ma'am. All credit goes to the Highbrow application.
Yes, yes.
It,
Because
it
conversation.
inspired me.
Yes, and conversation is very important.
Yes.
Grammar is okay, pronunciation is okay. Day by day, it will be improved. But conversation is very important. That's
Yeah,
why.
of course.
So how's
So,
your
ma'am,
practice is going nowadays?
I have seen your many videos. So you have mentioned in your videos, my name is English Nayak, and your father has given your name,
Yes,
your parents, I think.
yes, my
So,
father.
so ma'am, how do you feel when someone speaks to you, when someone called you Nayak, English Nayak? How do you feel?
Don't
I want
ask.
to.
Don't ask about it. Because for my name, even small childs are making fun on me. So many jokes, so many comments, and here everyone is calling English. Some are saying English book. Some are saying, "Hey, English, come and teach us something in English language." Some are saying, "If you are English, then who is mathematics? Your brother who is science? Your sister who is Hindi?" So it was
Mm,
a fun for others. It was a fun since my childhood. I never feel English is a unique name. I never feel any good things and any happiness about my name. Everyone laughs on me and they make so many comments and jokes. So I, if I will talk about my past, I was hating my name English, but I never asked to my parents why my name is English and why you kept this name. But I was hating so much this name. But day by day, I realized I cannot change my name since my childhood and till the death. My identity
mm.
is English. So now I love it. I love it. I don't care if other
Oh,
people
wow.
are think.
Okay. So, ma'am, I want to mention topic here.
Yes, yes.
What do you think about the body language?
In
What's your
body
perspective?
language.
Body language, yes, ma'am. How
In
how
okay, in
yes
a language, in a language.
in English?
Okay, yes, yes, yes. It's very, very important body language because our expression, our talking style. According to me, it's called accent because accent means style. How we are speaking in English,
Mhm,
whatever language. That is very important. And my tutors are saying, correct your pronunciation. Pronunciation means how we are speaking, our style, our mouth positions, everything.
mm.
So it is very important and it will give you a fearless confidence level English and any language, not only English. It's important. I think it's important.
Mm, mm. It affects the in front of any people who is in front of you, and the sometimes we go to the for interview, so it affects on the interviewer, right?
Yes, yes, yes. It's
Body
especially for
body language.
interview. It's very special for interview. Because in the casual conversation, everyday's conversation, no need to any style, but for a interview, any. meeting, it's very important your style and your speaking style. That is important.
Mhm. Okay, okay, ma'am. So my perspective is same to you because I have faced many 2 or 3 interviews. So whenever I went to there for the interview of Hinduja, it's a company of
Hello.